Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless, and welcome back to my channel. And as always, hopefully you'll like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below in the comment section. So as always, let's jump right into it. Today we're going to talk about using candlesticks, right? Just a basic candlestick chart. We're using a 5-minute, 5-day chart. Just kind of keep it very simple, basic. We have a 200 EMA exponential moving average. We're using just a basic RSI, okay, looking for oversold levels with potential divergence, okay? And then what we have are overnight high and low with a fib extension. So the white lines are the overnight high, overnight low, and that's from the close of market or the reopen on, we'll say, Tuesday at 3 p.m. Pacific time, because I'm over on the West Coast. So from 3 p.m. until 6:30 a.m. right when the market opens, these are being made. Once the market opens, it no longer they'll no longer move and they become static. Okay, so what you have is, and we'll kind of zoom in here. You have the overnight high, the overnight low, which are the white, the 50% level, and then you have the 127. 161.8 and the 200 fib extensions for above and below. Okay, great. It's a great tool to be able to kind of see where potential support, resistance, and other things lining up. But as this is also part of the market profile series that I'm doing, here is also just a regular TPO market profile over here. So again, moving average, TPO, overnight fibs, and RSI. These are the settings, okay, that I currently have for the TPO, what's showing, what's not. But as always, I will leave a link in the description that will give you all of this that you're seeing. It'll give you the overnight high, low, the market profile, all that for the low price of free. Okay, so there's no charge, anything. I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. So everything is available in the links down below. And again, they're just really good tools. So as you could see, as price start to come down, right, you have a high volume node. Now, of course, this kind of created that bigger high volume node. But if we were to fall back down, I would probably look at this high volume node with the value area high as a potential support on the very first touch after a breakaway from here, right? Now, the one thing I don't like are you have 1, 2, 3, 4 tests of this level. Will the fifth one blow through, or can you get a quick little bounce just using this one high volume node, right? This type of trade. Also, one of the things that I like to look for are things that match up. Look at the 50%. We came up and then we started to go sideways, which is also a high volume node. So again, if we start to come down, I'd be looking at this low volume node, right? Knowing, hey, look, there is a double bottom down here, maybe the very first retest of this level down here with a low volume node, maybe we will have a nice little bounce. So couple things to look for. And then also we have what is our RSI. Maybe start to look for divergences, things like that. We could see the divergence here, right? And then what does price do? Eventually fails and moves lower. So again, I hope you kind of enjoy these videos. If you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comment section, and also like and subscribe. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.